Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, in the additional in the today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 20. Oh, uh, yeah, 21st, July the 21st. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, a Sudoku with 2 stars, 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. Total of 5 Sudokus. And the first one, a Sudoku with a 1 star, it will be the number 1195. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. We have here 3 plus 2 is 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5, 15, 19, 21, plus 4 is 25, plus 2 is 27, as usual. 27 printed digits. So let's get started. With a 2 in this column, a 2 in the third column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see. How about these 2 numbers in this row? The missing numbers are the 8 and the 3. No, I cannot fill this yet. 8 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 4 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers, and 9 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. No, we have a 6 here. The 7 and the 9. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column should be the 9. Then then 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 6. And look, we have an 8 and a 6 here. So no 8 and a 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 3. The 8 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. So now we have we have a pair here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. Same with the 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 5 should be these 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes in this column are reserved for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Yeah, 1 and 6 are missing. I mark them for you. Two numbers left in this big square. Those numbers are the 8 and the 9. Let me mark them again. Again, a pair. A lot of pairs. That means these three numbers, the 1 is missing, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this column? 3 missing numbers. The 8, the 3, and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 here. So in this box, no 8 and a 9 in this box. One digit left should be the 3. The 8 and the 9 goes in those two boxes. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 3. That means... three, 4, 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 8 and a 6. We have an 8 already, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 goes there. Then I have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be the 3. 3 missing numbers now in the third row. Yes, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 1, 4, and the 6 is missing. I cannot do anything. I need to wait. 1, 4, 6. 3, 3, 7, 7, 9, 9. Okay. 2, 2. We have a pair here. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 goes here or there. Same with the 9. 9 is a missing number. We have a 9 here. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. That means these 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 1 and 5. No, 5 we have. 1 and 8. Yes, 1 and 8 is missing. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 1 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark them for you. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. 6 and 9. The 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Yeah. 6. Let me think. 3, 3, 7. Nine, 8, 1, and 3. Wow. I think I need to mark some boxes. These 3 numbers. The 1, the 3, we have a 3 here. And the 8, we have an 8 there. 8 goes there. 1, 3, 8, and 9. We have an 8 here. We have the 9 there. 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3, 6, 9. 1, 3, 6. The last column, 4 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 3, the 6, and the 9. 1, 3, 6, 9. And look, 1, 3, 6, and this should be the 9. So now I have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 9. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be the 9. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 6. One number left in this last row for the number 3. 1 and 8 are left. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 3. The 5, the 2 are missing in this big square. And the 7. And look, 5 and a 7. This box cannot be 5 and a 7. So 1 digit left should be the 2. The 5 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this column. The 5 and the 7 are missing. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 5. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, in the last column. The only 3 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between, the second row, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left for this big square for the number 4. Then 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 in the third row should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 1. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Do you like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. I will continue in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.